Hey everybody, I'm Greta Eliason. I'm here at Retallack Lodge for an all-girls trip. Super excited. We got 2 cats going. I got Carl here.
Woo!
Ready to go.
Yeah!
GoPro Hot Moms.
All right.
Wow.
Let's go, Pro Hot Moms.
GoPro Hot Moms right here.
Nice.
It's my YouTube channel.
Excellent.
Subscribe, like, push the button, right?
Push the button.
Just push the button.
Just push the button.
Retallack Lodge. I'm here with Nadine Overwater.
We
Red Mom Extraordinaire. Hashtag GoPro Hot Mom.
GoPro Hot Mom. GoPro had a good massage last night.
Oh, we had this massage at the exact same time. Oh, Susanna.
You had Susanna.
I don't know.
Next. Cranial sacral.
Oh yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
they're
it
in
was
a big
nice.
river.
I just went for the full deep tissue
That's good.
elbows. Yeah. But
And then are you sad it's the last day, but it's been fun,
I'm
right?
sad it's the last day, but vibes high.
We've done
Snow is falling.
Yeah, we had 3. Well, this is our 3rd day of skiing, snowboarding, and then we had a goth night. We had Christmas party, massages, lots of sauna, lots of hot tub.
Lots of good times.
Is there anything else like women need on a cat skiing trip than that?
Well, tampons, if that's your thing.
Luckily, I had mine before I came here.
Yeah.
But
And I did notice extra ones in the office. When I opened the office door, they had a
Just in
big that
Yeah.
said tampons.
we got
I thought,
tampons
that's
just in
excellent.
case. Don't worry
Always
about
pack
it.
For the guys
Yeah.
that come.
Carl, you should have some in the cat just in case. And that can be part of your morning spiel. Don't put shit in the cup holders, and here's some tampons if you need.
And don't put
And-
tampons in the cat.
I'm actually looking right now for marketing swag. So maybe Carl the Gnarl tampons.
Leave the tampons on the seat.
Yeah.
for all
And
the-
pads. I
and
want an
pads.
option
Yes.
for people.
All of them.
Yes, all the
Okay.
things.
Yeah.
Okay, tell everyone to like and subscribe Greta's YouTube channel.
Oh, like and subscribe Greta's YouTube channel. That's love. That's all love. Yeah.